posternya ya. Iya. Pendukungnya banyak ya. Oke. Alhamdulillah ya. Baik. Iya. Saya kasih kesempatan pendukungnya kalau mau teriak silakan. Baik. Terima kasih ya. 5 oktav ya nadanya ya, cukup tinggi ya. Baik, produknya sudah dibagikan. Ajesco, apakah sudah siap?
Siap.
Pertanyaannya simpel, sama seperti yang lain. Yakin nggak akan mewakili Indonesia ketika Asia Pasifik?
Sangat yakin.
Wah. Sangat yakin. Oke, kalau gitu saya tanya dulu Dewan Juri, apakah sudah siap? Sudah siap. Baik, hadirin, inilah dia Ajesco SC dari SMA Al Jannah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are Ajesco, an eco-friendly educational toy company. Our mission is to contribute to solving various environmental and social problems. One of the problems being deforestation. Sadly, every year, the world loses 10 billion trees due to global deforestation. Meanwhile, Indonesia, which has abundant natural resources, are not being optimally utilized because the lack of education and technology of agriculture in Indonesia. That's why we need education, we need technology. With education, which will lead to greater technology. By then, introducing Pizzle, an eco-friendly educational puzzle made from paper waste that can be planted. Our innovative product aims to inspire children to become interested in agriculture. And our goal is to expand Indonesian agricultural technology and Pizzle contains a seed that can be planted, a 2-in-1 frame that can be converted into a standing pot, a pouch to hold planting media, an instruction card in Indonesian and English, and also the planting media. In production process, we collect paper waste, then we process, print, and insert the seed. And then our vendor process the wood waste into a frame, sack waste into a pouch. Then quality control is then ensured to ensure the sustainability and the high quality.
Also, Ajesco holds the intellectual property right or hak cipta for Pizzle, meaning Pizzle is legally 100% innovation from Ajesco. One Pizzle costs 98,000 rupiah per product, which is higher than our competitors. Pizzle offers a unique, innovative, and eco-friendly product that stands out from our competitors and appeals to our target market of children, parents, and schools. Our potential market is wide, including 50 million children aged 3 to 10 years, 140 million married couple, and 250 kindergarten and elementary schools in Indonesia. To reach our target market, we have implemented various marketing strategies, including social media, campaigns, stands, broadcasts, after purchase surveys, also endorsed. Pizzle also has received praise and recognition from various notable figures, including environmentalists, educators, and influencers.
In addition to our innovative products, we also held a CSR program called Ajescare. Ajescare educates and inspires young children to become aware of paper waste and how to recycle it through workshop and drop boxes. And we have successfully recruited over 1,000 children. Our other program is Ajescares, a podcast that is aimed to introduce our company to the public. And here is our social media analysis data showing a consistent positive growth over time.
And in just 5 months, we have earned a total revenue of over than 20 million rupiah. With expenses of over than 15 million rupiah, resulting in a profit of over than 4,400,000 rupiah. Our stock price has also increased by 57% from 74,000 rupiah to over 160,000 rupiah.
And as a company, we've built various public relations to help achieve our goals in education and the environment.
And we are proud to support a total of 7 sustainable development goals. And to help us achieve these SDGs to the fullest, we have implemented several human resource programs, such as Employee of the Month, Ajesco Outbounding, Ajes Training, Ajesco Cancer, and Ajesco Adventure. And as we come to the end of our presentation, we want to leave you with this thought. Ajesco is more than just a company. We are a movement towards a better future. A future where all children can play and grow, our environment is protected, and our communities are empowered. Let's work together towards a better future. Ajesco, we will children to play and grow. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tepuk tangan sekali lagi untuk Ajesco SCND. Luar biasa. Sudah siap, kita akan masuk ke sesi tanya jawab. Saya akan langsung mempersilakan juri yang pertama memberikan pertanyaan, yaitu Ibu Reno. Apakah ada pertanyaan? Baik. Mic-nya di mana? Iya. Jangan-jangan mentang-mentang produknya Ajesco ditanam juga mic-nya ya? Oh enggak ya, ada mic-nya, silahkan.
Alright, Ajesco, good job. This is a very good idea for kids, so they don't use gadgets anymore, right? They can use plants and learn about growing plants. Question for you, your cost of goods sold is quite high. How do you plan to reduce it in the future? Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for your question. Of course, our cost of goods sold is very high because we are a innovative product. And we also have many components in this one diesel. There is the puzzle, there is the frame, there is parts, and many more. And in this, our highest production cost is in the diesel itself because we need the printing, we need the processing, and all. And all of that is brand new. And of course, brand new product, just like the other product, like an example, electric cars. Right now, electric cars is sold with a very higher price. But we know that in the future, it will be reduced cost because it will be produced more. And so, how do we reduce our cost? Is by producing more, and our vendors will give less cost in producing more. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Baik, Ibu Reno, terima kasih. Selanjutnya Pak Anton, ada pertanyaan? Silahkan.
Thank you, Ajesco. Great products, very interesting. So I've seen in your report that most of your sales you've made it through stands. So what is your strategy in the future to keep your revenue and your sales up? And also I would like to also know how long does it last, the seed in the puzzle itself. I understand it's about 6 months. But considering that, if you produce a lot and it's not used, so what's your strategy to ensure that, when you produce it, you can quickly sell it? Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for your question. So the first question is how we improve our sales, right? Future sales. Okay, so maybe you're right. At first, we sales the most is in opening stand because we are a new company. So we use the most effective marketing strategy, that's opening an offline stand, because our product is a new innovation, right? So people doesn't really know about our product. So by opening an offline stand, this is an easier way for us to explain our product for the public, and that's the reason why our product instance we sell so much product in instance, because people who know our product, most of them is interested in our product. Then in the future we will make a bigger promotion because we want to focus in social media, because as we know, social media is an easier way for us to reach more people. So we want to make our so we want to reach more people in social media after we open an offline stand.
And in addition of Adin's answer, of course, there is a lot of improvement we can do in this one diesel. And of course, if we improve, we can reach higher market, and also we can make people more satisfied with our product. So, and after people are satisfied with our product, they will constantly buy not this one diesel, but also another diesel. And also, we are targeting to reach schools and institutions to reach our products by a large amount. And then to answer your second question, of course, there's a seed, and we know that the seed have expired dates. But in one seed, the expiry date is only like is high, it's 6 months, and we know after purchasing diesel, people will instantly buy at least instantly grow. I mean, in only 2 months. So and also it is one of the improvement that we can do. It is making an expired date in our diesel. Okay, thank you.
Baik, saya izin sebelum ke Bapak Nanang bisa ke Pak Peter Pellen.
And thank you. I love the product. I think it's a great product.
By the way, if you ever go into the jacket business, give me a call. You look very smart. More time, my question is in relation to when I saw the product on the stand, and you showed me the jigsaw, and I really like the idea. And I can see my own wife and my children will be using that product. It will be something that they would love to use. And I would love to see them use it when I come home from the bar. But my question is, how many of those products do you think you can encourage people to buy, typical customer, and how much diversification is there in your product, where my wife will come back the next time and buy another product or a third product?
I'm sorry, can you repeat the how much what at the end of your question?
As in, how much diversification can you achieve in your product that my wife will come back maybe every 2 weeks and buy a new product from you?
Thank you so much for your question. So, maybe to make our customer engage with us, right, to buy another product, we always make we make a new variant. So, when we inform the new variant every time we launch a new variant, and we have data about our customer, so we know how to reach them and how to reach people who never buy our product. So, social media to reach people who never buy our product. So, to make them engage and buy our product again, we make a new variant and we always inform them about every time we make an event and that the price will go low and something like that. So we have a public relation here to make our customer engage with us. Thank you.
Baik, Pak Peter, Ina, terima kasih.
I'm just thinking that when my wife plants some plants, tomatoes, say, or some plants, what is it we have?
Pak Choy.
So now my whole garden will be full of that stuff, right?
Thank you. Dan selanjutnya kita akan ke Bapak Nana untuk memberikan pertanyaan. Silakan.
Okay, I just curious, what's the price of the product, your product? Because I find it difficult here to find what actually your price. The first and the second one, your background is talking about the deforestation that you offer the consumer to plant bok choy and tomato. I think it's quite different, yeah. There's a forest and bok choy and tomato. So it's better if you can make it as related to the agriculture, etc. Actually, my question is, what's your next plan into your innovation of the product in the futures to make your product more easier to get by your consumers? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for your question for our product. Of course, we as stated in our presentation, every year the world uses 10 increase due to global deforestation. And how do we? Our solution is not just by the diesel that can grow, but also that our diesel comes from paper waste, and paper waste is also comes from trees. So there will be less paper that is wasted, and also there will be less trees to cut down. So our solution for deforestation is not just less trees being cut down, but also more trees being grown. And how can we make more trees being grown? Of course, by educating children. Children education is our future generation. And by educating them about this diesel, it is about plant growing. They will not just plant diesel, it is bok choy and tomat. In the future, they will be interested in agriculture, and maybe they will make new technology about agriculture and make more trees. Thank you.
Harganya berapa? Harga berapa?
98,000 rupiah per product.
Baik, kita masih punya 1 menit lebih. Apakah Bu Dexter ingin ada penambahan?
Mau nanya sih, tapi kayaknya waktunya nggak cukup. Kasihan. Apa namanya, cuman komen saja. It's a great product ya. I really like it. I think amongst the rest, this is the most sustainable, useful, cute packaging. Yeah, but of course it compensates with a high price as well. So
for the next, of course, you need to emphasize more the value proposition instead of just the price. That's my addition. Thank you.
Maybe I thank you for your concern. Of course, in the future we are actually planning to increase our price, and by increasing our price, it is followed by increasing our price, and this will be followed by a higher quality of a product. Yeah, maybe you comment about our packaging. Of course, in the future we will make new packaging, a new more high quality of the packaging, and also other components in the pizza. Thank you.
Baik, waktunya Mas Adis, tepuk tangan sekali lagi untuk SMA Al Jannah.